Hi everyone, I'm Soul for Hobby. You may call me Lisa, and today I come back with a fun project for you guys. I found this little template on Pinterest. So if you want to make a bracelet holder for you want to make a bracelet tag, stick with me and you'll learn how to make one. Okay, what we want to do is go to Pinterest, print out your template pattern. And this is what it will look like. Let me zoom in a little bit, like here. And here's your bracelet template. It already comes with fashion jewelry, but on this side, since this is big enough, you can put a label or a sticker in the middle to say, hey, this will be a cool project to do if I cannot afford to buy the tags on Amazon. So this is what we're going to do. Have your template, cut it out. That's what I did. All you need is scissors, your bracelet, and what we're going to use is cardstock. This is cardstock printer paper. This is really good for tags and stuff. And we're going to demonstrate by using the pink one. All you do is take your pink one, take your template. Well, let's see. Line it up, and you can get two out of this paper. Trace it around, take your pens. Take your pen, you'll need a pen. And what we're gonna do is take a template, trace it around. And there you have it. Now what you want to do is cut around it, cut on the line. Once you get it cut out, it's not easy, but just stay within the line. Make sure nothing is showing. You can put stickers on your labels. To dress it up. always flip it to the other side. And if you get a hole punch, and if you get a hole punch, you can put a little hole in your top to whatchamacallit, hang it up on the wall or this thing. You can decorate it, put labels in the middle, put whatever your bracelet is about. And there you have it. Nice bracelet holder. You can use cardstock or gathered paper to make this project work. And you can decorate it and have fun. You can put stickers or a label right in the center and to dress it up. But that's what it looks like. And here it is. And let me know what you guys think about this project, and drop me a private message or stay tuned for the next video. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this tutorial, and give me a good thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I am jewelry artist, seamstress, you know, whatever goes to sewing, I know how to do a lot of it. So that's what my career is about. And these journeys to take you on to improve on your own, you know, jewelry making skills, and to learn how to make keychains, or learn how to open up a jump ring, or learn how to do anything educational to help you build up your own skills and maybe start your own YouTube channel. Well, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following me and staying with me this far. Let's help each other by continuing to grow. And that's it. Goodbye, everybody.